Good morning. Yesterday, we covered Wealth Building 101. We just touched the surface, just the basics, to give you an overview of how you begin the journey of wealth building. And today, we're going to get into the second level, Wealth Building 102. Thank you so much for being here. Sonia Gallion-Cominica, SoniaGallion-Cominica.com, and the author of 10 Things I Wish I Knew as a Single Parent, where we talk about all things single parents. And our ultimate goal is to make kids safe by educating their parents, and we want to help you build wealth. And most days, we teach you how to build wealth with tax refunds, life insurance, and inexpensive real estate. And we have got some meat and potatoes for you. Great things coming up. Stay tuned. Enjoy. Let's enjoy the process together, and let's keep it moving. So today, section 2, Wealth Building 102. What are the steps? Step number 1, life insurance policy. I will never stop talking about a life insurance policy. It is the greatest thing ever. It is responsible for the wealth of the Rockefellers. It could have been for the Vanderbilts, but unfortunately they did not partake in a life insurance policy, and they lost billions of dollars. But many others have, and have sustained their wealth, such as McDonald's, JCPenney, many celebrities, so many people. Even it doesn't even matter. The difference between those who become poor and stay poor and those who develop wealth are those who've created life insurance policy and something that cannot be lost. So for instance, not too long ago, we had the Silicon Valley Bank scandal. The problem was not in the Silicon Valley Bank. The problem was that they put all their money into treasury bills. They put it somewhere that could be accessed by a third party, meaning the government in this situation. Life insurance is not like that. You cannot just touch the life insurance. It is not accessible. They are one of the most powerful institutions in the world. And that money is extremely safe. And they have been paying dividends to their policyholders for hundreds of years. We have some things called annuity that have been around since the Romans. It's not going anywhere. It doesn't matter what the government policy is. It doesn't matter taxes. It doesn't matter the tax code. The life insurance policy is the strongest product to keep your money safe. Had Silicon Valley Bank put all their money in life insurance, millions and billions of dollars, they would be okay today. So just keep that in mind. You know, sometimes we're listening to the latest salesperson and we kind of fall for stuff that we shouldn't fall for. And we don't want the tried and true because it's kind of boring. It's just day in and day out every day. You know, you just put it in a policy and it sits there. Nothing exciting, but it doesn't need to be exciting. We just want the return of our principal. So life insurance is the number one thing I always teach you, especially for single parents, because it's a great way to take the tax refund money and make it grow and change the life of yourself and your children forever. And it has been done, and I talk about it in my book, 10 Things I Wish I Knew as a Single Parent. So get a copy and learn these principles. Put as much income into the policy as the IRS allows you under the age of 60. If you're 60 and older and you get a large lump sum, maybe from your house sale or something, then take it, still put it in the life insurance policy. It's going to become taxable. That's okay, because you don't want to lose the money. If you just take your large sum of money, hundreds of thousands, $1 million, whatever, and you just put it in the bank account, you're going to lose it to inflation. So take it, at least put it in life insurance policy. And if you have to pay a portion of taxes, that's okay. With the tax deductions, the standard deductions, you probably won't pay much in taxes. So just keep that in mind. Step 2 and all the fun stuff. Pay all your bills from the life insurance policy. Now that's a new concept, and it's one of the things I teach the single parents. Pay all your bills from the life insurance policy. I'm going to say that one more time. Pay all your bills from the life insurance policy until you have a personal line of credit, a business line of credit, or a HELOC, a home equity line of credit. And then that's a whole different process. And that, you know, my friend Denzel Rodriguez talks about velocity banking. Well, that would be another strategy. But in the meantime, use the life insurance policy, because when you take out money from the life insurance policy for loans, you don't have to repay them. There's no consequence. You don't have to qualify for it. There are some wonderful, wonderful things within a life insurance policy you cannot do with anything else. There's no penalty like you would get with a 401k. So reach out to your life insurance agent. You can reach out to me, Sonia Gallion-Cominica, 833-369-7111. And I'm so happy to talk to you. And of course, you can always email me. And you can reach out to me even through the video. You can just send me a message and I'm happy to speak with you as well. Step 3, get a line of credit. Get this stuff when you don't need it, because you never know when you will need it. So get a line of credit. Repay all the life insurance policy loans with a line of credit and place all the income into the line of credit. Now, I know these strategies seem like a lot. I'm going to be doing a whiteboard discussing them later, but for now, you want to get a line of credit, and you want to take all your income, put it into the line of credit, and you want to pay everything from the line of credit. This is how you build wealth 102. Step number 4. Once a line of credit is established, begin paying all the bills from the line of credit, and this will depend on the amount of the line of credit. If you get a $5,000 line of credit, it's going to be a little different than obviously a $30,000, $10,000, $50,000 line of credit. So those things are important. You want to be able to put money into the line of credit, pay it. The home equity line of credit is ideal because it just works like a bank account. You just put the money in, take the money out, put it back in, take it out. It's pretty amazing. So these are some kind of advanced strategies. So definitely reach out to me or reach out to Denzel Rodriguez, Financial Geek. I mean, there's so many wonderful sources out there. And then step number 5. Once the line of credit is established, use your life insurance policy for large purchases. So initially we set up a life insurance policy because we had nothing else. We're using that, we're paying all our bills out of it, but that's your mortgage, your rent, it could be your car payments, pay everything annually, of course, pay for your utilities, all the things you need to pay, your gym membership, all those little things. And then once that's established, use the life insurance policy for large purchases, such as a home purchase. Yeah, when you've built up enough money, you can go out and buy that house. And I do teach you how to buy inexpensive real estate as well, from auctions and things like that. So you've got some choices. Equipment, if you need equipment, use your life insurance policy for that. Business acquisition, oh yes. And to get equity in a company, use your life insurance policy because it's safe. It doesn't affect your policy. It doesn't interrupt your compound interest. It's a really, really great tool. Step number 6, dividend paying stock. This is a long-term game, 20 to 30 years out. But once you take that money, you start out with $10,000. That money is going to grow significantly to hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. But you got to let it grow first. You got to give it time. That's why I always say start out with the life insurance policy first, because the life insurance policy is safe and you have access to that money. That's essentially like being liquid. Within a couple days, if you say to the insurance company or your insurance agent, I need money for my life insurance policy, you're going to have it in a couple days. So it's like liquid. You can access it very quickly. So that's exciting. Wealth Building 102. Join me for Wealth Building 103 next. I'm so excited to go over this with all of you. Please subscribe to the channel. Keep learning. Let's learn together. Sonia Gallion-Cominica, SoniaGallion-Cominica.com, I'm the author of 10 Things I Wish I Knew as a Single Parent. And always, if you have any questions, feel free to call me, 833-369-7111. Have an amazing day. Thank you so much.